This is a guide on how to connect an electric furnace to the power supply on the industrial PVE server. To connect the electric furnace to the power supply on our server, you need to connect electricity not only to the power in socket, but also to the turn-on socket. The easiest way to do this is using an electrical brunch. Connect the left contact for 2 watts to the turn-on socket and the right one to the power in. Now, the electric furnace will operate.